Hello guys, welcome back to Code with Bishal YouTube channel. This is complete web development series powered by Code with Bishal, and this is third video of this series. In this video we will cover HTML headings and paragraph. What are HTML headings? And there are 6 different types of HTML heading. HTML headings are defined with H1, start with H1 to H6, and H1 is the most important heading and H6 defines the least important heading. Search engine use headings to index structure and content of your web page. Headings are important uh, in the respect of search SEO. These are 6 different types of heading. This is heading 1, this is heading 2, this is heading 3, this is heading 4, this is heading 5, and the least small heading, this is heading 6. And let's see what are paragraphs. We will do it practically at the end of this video, so watch complete video. HTML paragraph. P tag defines paragraph in web page. It is a block level elements that start with new line. Every time it starts with new line. Headings also start with new line, and paragraph also start with new line every time. Like if you write H1, then it will cover the entire line, entire that line. And if you write another element after this, then it will start from another below of that previous heading. As a tag, draw a horizontal line, and it is used to separate the content of a web page. It has no ending tag. There was always a ending tag for every element, but as a tag does not have ending tag. If you write simply like HR, and it doesn't need any other ending tag. BR tag defines the line break and used to start new line. Like if you want to start a new line, then you can use BR tag to define a new line. Let's try all these things practically in our code editor. This is our place where we used to write our code. I will create a new file with headings.html. You need to give a name, and the extensions will be .html for your HTML document. Okay, hit enter, and this is our HTML file. We will write HTML. I have teach you how to write a proper HTML document. I think you know how to write a boilerplate of HTML, and I will give you a shortcut to write it. Write HTML and click on this HTML:5. It will give the boilerplate of HTML. See, and press tab button, and it will switch to different things. Like I'm changing the heading title. And we will write a comment. For writing comment, press Ctrl plus question mark. It will automatically give you a comment section. Write comment. This is heading part, and we will write H1 and hit enter. This is heading 1. In the same way, write H2 and write this is heading 2. In the same way, write till H6. After, if you complete writing headings from H1 to H6, save it by pressing Ctrl S and open it on live server. If you haven't installed live server, go to extension and install live server. Install this server, this plugin, and go to your file and click right. Then you see open with a live server. Click on it. It will open to your browser. See, I have shown you this on slide. H1 is the biggest and gradually decrease to H6. there are only 6 headings, S1 from S1 to S6, and this is how you will write headings. See, I have also told you headings are block level element. We wrote S1, and after this another heading has to start with new line. Doesn't went here because this has covered the entire this row. Simply we will remove all the headings and we will try to write paragraph. For writing paragraph, write P and hit enter. And if you are using VS Code, write lorem, it will generate a random text, lorem is in text. And Control S, you will see a paragraph here. This is title. I will change the heading. This is title of this document, and we have written a paragraph. And if you want to separate this and this, you can use HR tag. Simply write HR like this. You don't need to close HR like this. You don't need to close HR like this. Write simply HR, save and see. HR separated this heading and paragraph with horizontal line. And what if you want to give more space between heading and paragraph, or between any content? Write BR and press enter. It will give another line above paragraph C. And if you want more, give another BR. Save more. Let's write 2 more and see. It has given more space. So this much for this video. I hope you learned something. If you have learned, please subscribe and like this video. Share with your friend who are thinking of learning HTML. Thank you. See you next video.